Hi, this is the optional tutorial. How do you install WordPress? So if you want to install WordPress and then go to this URL, and then I will add the download link at the descriptions. So just get this one and then it will appear on here. So just download it. So I have already downloaded. So here, and then save it in somewhere. Normally it should be inside the ht docs. So inside your PHP server. So that's what I use. So you extract it. You extract this one by right click extract, and then it will appear like that. So and then you cut this one, and then go back to ht docs and then paste that one. So I already have it, this one. So normally you have a folder here and then there's another folder, so it's a little bit confusing. So you have a folder inside folder, so you will see similar to this one if you paste that one, and then you will see similar to this one. So if you see similar to this one, you are good to go. So if you are using, so I use XAMPP. So this is the XAMPP panel. So I use this one. So if you need to download and install that one on your computer if you don't have a PHP and MySQL servers. And then if you go to so you look at, this is htdocs, right? So this is a folder where we look at. So remember that one, and then press that one with your locate port, that one. So that's a 8000 and then 443 for HTTPS, and then remember that one, and then press that one. So it will appear this one. So that's the installation start. So I press that one, so you will see the same screen. Sometimes it's loading. It will take a time. This is okay. I pause. So it will appear like that. So and then you click on whatever your language, and then you can choose. So you click on continue if you want to use English. So just click on continue, and then let's go back to here. Let's go back to another tab, and then you just type localhost your port and then PHP my admin. So the reason is this is a database server. So this is database. You are using my database on the browser. If you go to that one, and then you maybe I need to wait. It's refreshing. So it will be appear like that. So this is PHP my admins, and then if you click on, you can create a new database from here or there. So it's your choice. So currently we'll use this one. If you didn't see anything at the side panel, so this is the side panel, and then you may click on here. So it's the same. And then you create a database. So just create a database called WordPress. Normally you give a name that similar to your site for the local development. So that means you won't be confused which database you will be looking. So look at here, I have a different different database for different WordPress site. And then choose this one. Choose this one if you can, because this is the default one. Otherwise, you choose the one you want. Just create, and then your database has been created, and then you may refresh here, and then you should be seeing WordPress here, and it's already here. So and then go back to another tab. This is the WordPress site. So go back to this tab. We don't need this one. You may close. I will close this one. And then you click. Let's go. So the name is WordPress. And then if you are using, oh yeah, which one am I using? If you are using SAM, so WordPress, so this is a SAM. If you are using SAM MySQL, and then database username is just root, and then you may, there's no password, just this one. So that's the database name, the one we created, and then everything should be okay. So there's no password for the database, and then just click run the installation. And then give a site title, so that should be whatever your title. And then username is, normally I give it same as this one, the site name, so this one, your WordPress site, and then password 1 2 3 4, and then confirm. And then I think you need email, and then this is the dummy email, so you can add anything. You can add gibberish, so don't send anything to this one. So I think someone else may be using, I just use it for, you know, dummy email. So you create your email, and then that just for the add anything, add something, so it will be fine. So just install, press install. So it will show you this one. Otherwise, you may Google it, or you may go to how to install WordPress in with the other people. So if you have a different Apache or something like that, so if you use WAMP or something like that, so you may be Google it, or Stack Overflow is good. Just log in, and then come back a minute. So just WordPress is your one, and the password 1 2 3 4 is the one we created. Just at that one. So I already saved that one. So my local site, I mean my development site are this website is password 1 2 3 4. So there you go. This is your WordPress. And then if you go to, if you just copy the first part, and then copy, paste and go. Come on. So this is the so this is the themes, the custom theme that we will be creating. And then just click back. And then if you click on appearance, think 2021 debate. That should be 2021. Yeah, I think I got. Yeah, I know why. Because I install my custom thing in there. So that what you should be seeing in name. And then there will be mismatch between these lines because I already installed something inside my WordPress in there. So that's what you should be seeing, something similar to this one. And then if you can go inside here, that should be good to go. You can switch or install any theme or any plugins you like. I hope this way we are at the same page, and then we will start developing in next tutorial. Thank you. See you soon.